Space. In space, there is very thin air. Death's container must be near, for fear and silence have lived there, where breath's shallow darkness need not bear a care. It is quiet in space. Light can only hear the speed of its shadow's heart race, bright, lonely echoes that the stars erase, as noise rests below the base of a black hole's empty vase. It does not rain in space. We hold its drops of water's grace. Our cells all carry trace of this damp space lace, rain that our skin was taught to embrace. It is dry in space. Water is void of matter in this place. So Earth's blue secret the Titans died to encase, just after chaos hid a drop of star behind every soul's dense scarlet mace. There is very thin air in space. It is quiet in space. It does not rain in space. It is dry in space. It does not end in space. Silence talks to wisdom in space. Time, light, Aphrodite, and her pride walk through space. Life and death have ran through space, so Hade's rivers may flow in space for us to retrace, replace, or debase. By death's gated river way up there, where water's skin surrounds pearls of air as bubbles form life's layered seeds that appear to disappear. They breathe the hours of eternity's heavenly sphere, while gravity drowns another planet's endless plea for hope drenched in care. If that planet has clouds, that planet has water beneath its private lair. Water's weighted pillows that rest in space as angel hair. Hence, space holds our future and its repair. A clouded future that may not be fair, warm and clear. A shrouded future that was weaved by a past's wear and tear, stitched together with the balance of a present that is neither here nor there, sewn to truth's energy that is pure, absolute, and near, fastened to a dark corded spool, wound by light's harp and lyre. A string wove that future's laser complexion and glare. It has crowned every year of that very particular frontier with a threaded care, a fear, and a prayer, as it weaves and darns matter in very, very thin air. No, it does not end in space. A needle pulls and weaves that string through space. A needle draws every stitch and link of space. It has an eye that is wide as it sews every narrow path in space with a string that is eternal as it laces infinity to every eon in space. A string that cannot be added to or taken from. A string that is made of all life, all that is started and all that is done. A string that means no thing to no one. A string that whispers to mercy's orphaned mission. A hollow hand pulls that needle and spooled string through pairs of dimensions in space. It is lean as it turns and bends elements of space. It is strong as it touches the power of space. It is noble as it grips truth in space. All so man can see that life is not only stitched to what is linear. Life has many a layer. Life is not dire. Life is rather irregular. In space, life is a crystal that is rare. It is not born as here. It is given to those that can bear. It is received when immersed in thanks, year after year after year after year. There is very thin air in space. It is quiet in space. It does not rain in space. It is dry in space. It does not end in space. A needle pulls only one end of a string through space. A knot ties the other somewhere in space. It does not end in space.